Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make miso mayo dipping sauce. This is so easy that it's going to be a very short one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this miso mayo dipping sauce, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 4 tablespoons Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons miso, if you like spicy food, shichimi Japanese chili mix, and your favorite vegetables. Let's cut the vegetables first. I'm going to cut them into sticks, but you can cut them as you like. And today I have red pepper, cucumber, and daikon radish, but you can use any vegetable you like. So red pepper, cut it into half. Remove the stem and the pith. Then into sticks. Cucumber, cut both ends off. Cut it into 4 long way. Then into 3. Daikon radish, let's cut it into about the same size with the cucumber. Peel the skin. Into slices first. Then into sticks. Like this. Miso mayo dipping sauce. Just put these two, miso and mayonnaise, together. And I normally do 2 to 1, but you can adjust the ratio as you like. So let's put miso into mayonnaise. I'm adding some shichimi Japanese chili mix to make it a little spicy. Give it a mix. And the dipping sauce is ready. Super easy. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so easy, but it's surprisingly delicious and addictive. My children, they cannot stop eating vegetables using this miso mayo dipping sauce. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce is the side dish, so let's put it here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Plain rice here and sweet potato miso soup here. For the main dish, I think I can do something complicated and time consuming because the miso mayo dipping sauce is so easy and so quick. So how about Menchi Katsu? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!